July is one of the best months to travel, but choosing the right destination makes all the difference. Some places offer perfect weather, others come alive with festivals, and some are at their absolute peak in nature and scenery. In this video, we explore 10 amazing destinations to visit in July, focusing on places that offer the best combination of weather, experiences, and unforgettable landscapes. 1. Dolomites, Italy. July is the perfect time to visit the Dolomites in northern Italy. Snow has melted, revealing green valleys, dramatic peaks, and some of the best hiking trails in Europe. You can explore scenic routes, mountain huts, and panoramic viewpoints without extreme heat. It is ideal for travelers who want fresh air, nature, and outdoor adventure. 2. Hvar, Croatia. Hvar is one of the most beautiful islands in Croatia, especially in July. Crystal clear waters, sunny weather, and lively beach clubs create a perfect summer atmosphere. During the day, you can explore hidden coves and nearby islands, while evenings bring vibrant nightlife and seaside dining. 3. Lake Bled, Slovenia. Lake Bled looks like something from a fairy tale. In July, the lake is surrounded by lush green forests and calm waters reflecting the mountains. You can row to the small island church, hike to viewpoints, or simply relax by the lake. It is peaceful, scenic, and perfect for a slower travel experience. 4. Cape Town, South Africa. July is winter in Cape Town, but it is one of the best times for wildlife experiences. This is peak whale watching season along the coast, especially in nearby Hermanus. The city is quieter, prices are lower, and landscapes become green after seasonal rains. 5. Koh Samui, Thailand. Unlike other parts of Thailand, Koh Samui enjoys good weather in July. While some regions experience heavy rain, this island often has sunshine and calm seas. It is a great option for tropical beaches, island hopping, and relaxing resorts without peak season crowds. 6. Cappadocia, Turkey. Cappadocia is famous for its unique landscapes and hot air balloons. July offers clear skies and ideal conditions for sunrise balloon rides over rock formations and valleys. You can also explore underground cities, cave hotels, and scenic hiking routes. 7. Cartagena, Colombia. Cartagena offers a mix of history, color, and Caribbean energy. July is warm, but sea breezes and coastal location make it enjoyable. The Old Town features colorful streets, colonial architecture, and lively plazas. Nearby islands provide beautiful beaches for day trips. 8. Norwegian Fjords. July is one of the best times to explore Norway's fjords. Long daylight hours allow for extended sightseeing, cruises, and hiking. Places like Geirangerfjord offer dramatic cliffs, waterfalls, and peaceful natural scenery. 9. Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. Ha Long Bay is known for its limestone islands rising from emerald waters. July is warm and perfect for cruising between these unique formations. Many travelers stay overnight on boats, enjoying sunrise views and quiet moments surrounded by nature. 10. Tahiti, French Polynesia. Tahiti offers tropical beauty with fewer crowds compared to other famous islands. July falls within the dry season, making it one of the best times to visit. The island features mountains, lagoons, waterfalls, and a relaxed Polynesian atmosphere perfect for a summer escape. From mountain adventures and island escapes to cultural cities and natural wonders, July offers incredible travel opportunities around the world. The key is choosing a destination that matches your travel style and expectations. Which destination would you choose this July? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more travel inspiration.